Welcome to Financial_Jan. I'm AJ. Good evening and welcome to your global market wrap. A dramatic day on Wall Street as US equity markets plunged sharply, wiping out the gains from earlier this week. Last night was rough for the US markets, and I mean really rough. The Dow Jones crashed by over 2,000 points. That's more than 5% down. The Nasdaq dropped around 6.2%, and the S&P 500 fell 5.3%. These are some of the biggest single-day losses we've seen in a while. Despite recent data indicating a moderation in inflation, with the consumer price index showing a 0.1% monthly decline and core inflation rising 2.8% year-over-year below expectations, investors remained cautious. This caution is likely due to anticipation of key earnings reports and ongoing geopolitical tensions. Trade tensions remain. The United States raised tariffs on China to 145%, and China hit back with 104% tariffs on US goods. All right, let's talk about us. What does this mean for Indian investors? FIEs may sell off. Foreign investors might pull out some money from Indian markets. That could put pressure on our indices. ET stocks might suffer. Our IT giants like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, they get a lot of business from the US. If there's trouble in the US tech space, we might see some weakness here too. Rupee could weaken. A stronger dollar means the rupee might fall, and that affects imports, fuel prices, and more. Volatility incoming. Expect more ups and downs in the market in the next few days. So if you're investing, do it carefully and stay calm. I'm AJ, and this is your market recap on Financial_Jan. Don't panic. Market corrections are part of the game. Use this time to analyze, stay updated, and maybe even find some opportunities, but avoid impulsive decisions. Stay tuned for more updates that matter. Like, share, and subscribe to Financial_Gian for smart insights and daily market action.